Let's go. Hello, friends, and welcome to my salon. In today's video, we're gonna give myself a foot job. We're gonna give myself a cute little petty moments. I do apologize. I just took a shower, you guys. But my feet are nasty. They're very finger-like. But I didn't take the time to scrub my toenails and whatnot. But today, friends, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be applying these beautiful, luxurious nails onto my toes. Another thing that's super fun and super special about this whole little project, you guys, is I've never done this to my real nails either. These are glue-on nails. I know they make stick-on nails because I bought some of those as well. These ones are obviously much longer. So actually in the next couple days, I plan on wearing these ones for 24 hours or the entire day. I want to do the Cardi B nail challenge where you just have long nails for a day. So with that being said, if anybody knows of any day-to-day things that are really difficult to do with long nails, please let me know. Obviously, we're gonna try the simple things like trying a zipper or using a credit card, texting, but it'd be cool to think of a couple little oddballs. I did open this previously, but here's what the nails look like. As you can see, they're very pretty. There's a cute little flame moment. It also comes with this nail file as well as some glue. I hate that we're wasting the nails today, but they are also reusable. I don't wear stuff like this. I don't even really paint my nails. But these were sent to me by, of course, Lunar. That is my favorite hair dye brand. So if you ever need some great hair dye or you want to try their nails, I'll insert a code right here. You can get 15% off your order at lunartideshair.com and I'll receive 10% commission. I love their hair dye so much. I don't know about nails really, but these are stunning. So just thought I'd throw that out there. All right, besties. Now that we have a game plan, we might as well jump right into things. I'm trying to think of what the best way to do this is. I'm not very experienced. It's my first day on the job. I don't really know how long this glue even has to dry. Hold down for 5 seconds. At first I thought it was about to tell me to hold it down for 5 minutes. And I was about to be like a little salty. Not that you guys are not worth it, because you're worth anything and everything. But I don't know, like, I'm not gonna obviously show all of that, so I would get bored. I think we are in fact gonna start with our itsy bitsy piggy. I don't know the whole proper thing, you guys. Okay, we're gonna put some glue on here. How do I open this? I don't know what I'm doing. What I was trying to say, you guys, is I don't know the proper thing, the itty bitty piggy thing, but maybe this can be the one that went to the market. Okay, so I think you just put like a drop or two on the nail. I feel so unstable. Okay, and it says to pull it down at the cuticle. Oh my gosh. I will never look at nails the same again, you guys, ever since TikTok. Oh my gosh. Because there's those people there that do the nails, right? And then they pull them out of the fake hand. And I thought it was real a couple times. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's so scary. It says to hold it down for 5 seconds, but I really want this to work. So I'm gonna hold it down a little longer. I think you're supposed to file your nail a little bit for texture and stuff. Ooh, you're supposed to prep your nails and stuff too. Okay, we're already doing this wrong. So yeah, we're just gonna hold it down. I also don't really know how to get these off or get the glue off. So hopefully they just like pop off, because I don't think my feet will fit in my shoes. So far, you guys, this is a huge success. So, okay, this little piggy went to market. This little piggy, I literally don't remember any of the other ones. Roast beef? Yeah, he'll go get the roast beef. I think that's a thing. He went to go get the vegan option. Actually, I feel like pigs eat plants, and I think they're omnivores, not herbivores. Okay, I think this nail will do nicely for our next one. Oh my gosh. This is so fun. Oh, my feet are so crusty musty, you guys. I swear I did just take a shower. So that's fortunate. All right, a couple more drops of glue. Hopefully, it's weird how like the tip isn't drying up, but it dries so quickly on your little toesy woesies. We're gonna hold this one down as well for 5 seconds. More like 20. This one's a thick nail, you guys. I feel like I skipped a size. Oh my goodness. My finger was stuck to my toe. I had a finger toe. This one looks super wonky, you guys. It is, in fact, crooked. But I guess my toes are crooked as well, so what's the difference? I can feel the glue on my skin. It's very tight. This one feels kind of heavy as well. It's kind of weird. All right, market roast beef. This one went to Domino's. Yeah, because he knew some of the piggy friends would not want roast beef. So he went to Domino's. He got a Veggie Lover Deluxe. I don't really have a favorite pizza place, but just out of curiosity, I would love to know what your guys' favorite pizza place. If it is like not a mainstream one, I would love to know that as well. But I would love to know like your favorite mainstream one also, like Pizza Hut, Domino's, stuff like that. Because I thought this would be cool too, because some of you guys don't even live in this country. So your mainstream one might be something like completely not what I'm used to. All right, here's what my foot is looking like. Ooh, it just cracked with 3 nails on so far. I look very fierce, you guys. You, in fact, would not want to get in a foot war with me, because I could shank ya. This is what the 4th nail looks like. Okay. And then, okay, I can't let it go, since we already have a story going on. And this piggy knew that these ones were going to get food. This one went to go get more nails. And in fact, my biggest toe. This one's like a super thumb. This toe, my friends, he went to go get a laptop so he could subscribe to my channel. Because why not? Oh, guys, we did it. This one's really tough looking. This one looks like a little weapon. Now that all these nails, ooh, this one's really far away from my cuticle. Now that all the nails, though, are on my toe, I feel like I look like a dinosaur or an animal or something. Ooh. I would love to try picking up something. Maybe we'll do that, actually, though, after I get the other nails on, which I'm gonna do right now. All right, besties, as you can see, I sister slayed this lovely set of nails. They are, in fact, so pointy and so beautiful. let me show you from a different angle. Remember, you guys, if you ever want beautiful toes like mine, you can get these nails for 15% off at lunartideshair.com using my discount code. Hopefully I can get it on, but this is how my foot looks in the sandal. Wow, you guys. Everybody would be so jealous. Oh, they'd be like, Ellen, where'd you get your nails done? And I'll be like, I did them myself, of course. Now that we know my feet, or I mean these nails, are in fact so stunning, I thought we could test how functionable they were. I meant to start this experiment, friends, with a little juice, one of those little Kool-Aid twister uppers, but I drank it. Sorry, I was so thirsty. So, I figured we could test the nails other ways, such as, okay, holding a hammer. That's a good test, right? If you put on some nails, hey guys, you want to make sure you can still get down to business. Okay, I'm gonna help myself out a little bit. Yeah. Still give a good whacking without breaking a nail. Okay, what else is important? Scissors. You always want to make sure you can cut things, you know. Or if you can't cut them, you at least want to make sure you can rip them open. Okay, next test. Let's say you go to the bank and both of your arms are broken. You can, in fact, still sign a document. That's helpful. Okay. What else do you want to try? Oh, yeah, this is important. You ever just get done smoking a doober? You could. Oopsie. One popped off. Oh, another one popped off. You could, in fact, put your sunglasses on. Like this. Yeah. Okay. What else? Oh, that really hurt. Oh, this one. Come on, friend. I don't know how to get these off, actually. I don't care if the glue, that one hurt. Okay. I'm gonna pick these up and save them, I promise, because you never know when you might need a good nail. But let's say you're hungry. You really need a snack. You could, in fact, eat. Let's say you took a pooper. Ooh, my phone's dying. And I lost another nail. Okay. Last test, friends. And probably the most important. You gotta know. Hopefully this is on camera. Yeah. If you drill. Can you drill? Do it. Okay. Well, you guys, now that I know I can do all the important things in life, we can take these off. It was such a nice experience, though. And as always, it was so fun hanging out with my best friends. I will, in fact, be filming again tomorrow, so I'm so excited about that. I also have some exciting announcements to make really soon. Blah, 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 blah. But I hope you guys are doing so good. I broke this nail, and I hope there's something fun and positive going on in your life right now. I'm so grateful that you guys are letting me be part of your lives. I'm so excited to see you real soon. I love you all so much. And have an amazing day. Goodbye.